You're watching Ashira Announcement. Today I'm back again with a gardening unboxing. Who thought that plants would make me so excited, just like shoes and handbags? However, I just came from the garden center and I bought a few plants, and these plants are to die for. So before we go ahead, let me show you all the vegetables I'm planning to plant in my summer garden outside. So the vegetables I bought cherry tomatoes. The good thing about this cherry tomato, it already has some ripened cherry tomatoes, so I can eat these cherry tomatoes, and then I plant this plant and it will give me more cherry tomatoes. If I put it in a big pot, it will grow bigger, and I will use my tips and tricks on how to grow cherry tomatoes. And if you have missed those tips and tricks, check on the playlist over here and you find out more tips and tricks on how to grow your cherry tomatoes in the comfort of your own home. The other thing I managed to get from the garden center are the Surin Peppers. These come in yellow. They are very small. I've been trying to plant these peppers last year from seed, but I don't know what happened. I think I planted them when it was late and they didn't really bloom. I didn't get any peppers. But this year, I'm right on time. I'm going to plant them in my garden, and then I'll wait and see how big they'll become. So I bought 3 of these. I bought a red one, I bought 2 yellow ones. So we'll find out later on how they'll bloom. The other thing I got more peppers for my garden. I don't know why, but I got a red chili peppers, and these are also already like blooming. You have the yellow ones, you have the red ones on it, and I'm just going to get all the ones that are already owned. I remove them, and then I'll give the plant some time, put it in a bigger pot, and it will grow bigger, give me more chili peppers. So I'm so excited to be planting another type of pepper in my garden. So the other thing I got from the garden center are this type of herb. This herb is called Savory herb. It's a winter Savory herb. This one is in color purple, and it really smells nice. You can grow it as a winter plant too. It's winter evergreen, and it is very, 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 very lovely. It also goes by a name called Santourage montana. Santourage montana. So it also comes in white, but the purple ones are really, 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 really very beautiful. So I'm really excited that these plants are going to be part of my garden this summer 2018, and very grateful. The other thing I managed to pick up in the garden center, as you can see here, is this nice Calla lily flower. Calla lily. So I saw these white blooms and they took my breath away. I thought I had to take this plant at home, and they're so lovely. The blooms on these plants, the leaves are very big and they have lots of foliage, and the plant is very big. Lilies come in sorts of varieties, but this variety is not so common, but I'm so excited to be planting it. So ladies and gentlemen, that was it. I had to get busy planting all my unboxing items. I just unboxed for you, and I'm going to put them in my garden, and later on I'll be showing you and sharing with you tips and tricks on how to take care of them and how far they have grown, with reviews and checking on the progress and maybe harvesting some. And stay tuned for more videos on gardening unboxings and how to plant your flowering bulbs, or how to grow your vegetables or your indoor plants. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your support. Don't forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and till next week.